Hello, my dear Beyond Horizons family. Back again with another new series, Python for Beginners. I am doing this based on your request. My email flooded with a lot of emails for Python and more on Dig Silent Perfectory. So I am back again. I have seen people watching my channel but do not subscribe, and the status shows that 95% do not subscribe and there's only 5% people who subscribed who are my family. I would like to grow more, as a family, and we will learn more as a family. And also help me to support, and also please help me to go more and more beyond my horizons and help you a lot in learning. And the most important information is every Tuesdays you will have Perfectory video. So anything and everything related to power systems will be on Tuesday, and every Saturday will be Python series, which will be going ahead. So coming Saturday will be the first video of Python series. Thank you very much, and do help me and help me grow more. I need all your support. Thank you very much. Bye from Nivi.